Hello, Charlie. I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. Thank you very much for coming in last Wednesday. Your brand new 2021 Selenite Gray metallic Sprinter van showed up. I wanted to do a nice video of it for you so you can see your van up close. So your new Sprinter van has the fog lights in the front, which is really nice. You'll enjoy that, especially in the wintertime when it's dark at 4:30 in the afternoon. We'll come around here to the passenger side, get a nice side view of the van. It's got the nice black painted wheels. I know we discussed everything when you were here on Wednesday, but I wanted to show you everything. So one of the cool things about your sliding door too, it has a mid latch, so you don't have to throw your door all the way open. And it does open all the way up and latches in place. It's got the nice hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating on it. Nice sidewall paneling to protect your exterior walls. Nice cargo petition. If you decide to leave the cargo petition in, if you don't, it removes very simple. It's just bolted in. We'll come around here to the back of the van. So I know we discussed a bunch of the options the van comes with. So the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch, you can tow up to 5,000-pound trailer with this Sprinter van as well. And it does have the 270 doors. So when you open them up, they do latch right here at 90 degrees, and they do open up 270. The way the hinge is designed, it's designed with a latch mechanism in it to keep the door open. We have a really nice backup camera just above the third brake light. We'll come around here to the driver's side. So your fuel filler, I like to show you where that is too. So your fuel filler is right here. You have to have the driver's side door open. You can open that up. 24.5 gallon fuel tank, 4-cylinder diesel, turbocharged engine. Really good fuel economy, somewhere between 22 and 25 miles per gallon on fuel. And then right over here, this has the comfort seat package. So you have an adjustment here for the back of your seat. This lever right here jacks your seat up and down. Nice lower lumbar support for your back. And then this is for the back of your legs. It adjusts the seat up and down. And then also you have leg extenders. It's got the black leatherette seats. The leatherette is very, very durable, which is really nice. And your cruise control is right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, heated electric mirrors. So Charlie, looking forward to seeing you this week to take delivery, and we'll go over the van together when you come in. And if you need to get in touch with me, I'm Roger. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you very much.